Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Tollgate is a neighborhood in the northern part of Cornwall known for its residential streets, shopping areas, schools, and easy access to major roads. The area developed mainly during the late 20th century as Cornwall expanded northward beyond its older downtown districts. Today, Tollgate is considered one of the city's more modern suburban areas with a mix of detached homes, apartment buildings, commercial plazas, and community services. Its location near Brookdale Avenue and Tollgate Road makes it an important gateway area for people entering the city from Highway 401. The neighborhood gets its name from Tollgate Road, one of Cornwall's major north-south routes. In earlier periods of Canadian history, toll roads were common throughout Upper Canada, with travelers paying fees to use improved roads and bridges. While the modern road no longer operates as a toll route, the name reflects the transportation history that helped shape the region. Over time, the area around Tollgate Road became an important commercial and residential district as Cornwall continued to grow during the 1960s, 70s, and 80s. Tollgate is known for convenience and accessibility. Shopping centers, grocery stores, restaurants, schools, and recreational facilities are located throughout the area, making it one of the busiest everyday service districts in Cornwall. The neighborhood is also close to the Cornwall Square Shopping Centre and several industrial and commercial employment areas. Because of its practical location, Tollgate attracts families, retirees, and workers looking for easy access to both residential streets and major transportation routes. One of the defining features of the neighborhood is its connection to Cornwall's road network. Brookdale Avenue serves as one of the city's busiest commercial corridors and links the North End with downtown Cornwall and the waterfront along the St. Lawrence River. Highway 401, one of Canada's most important highways, passes just north of the neighborhood and connects Cornwall with both Toronto and Montreal. This location has helped make the North End of Cornwall an active centre for retail and suburban growth. Cornwall has a population of roughly 47,000 people and is one of the oldest communities in Canada. The city sits along the St. Lawrence River in eastern Ontario, close to both the Quebec border and the northern part of New York State. Indigenous peoples lived in the region for thousands of years before European settlement. French settlers later established farming communities in the area during the 1700s, making Cornwall one of the earliest European settlement areas in Ontario. The city was officially founded in 1784 by United Empire Loyalists who arrived after the American Revolution. These Loyalists were settlers who remained loyal to Britain and relocated north into what later became Canada. Cornwall's position along the St. Lawrence River made it an important transportation and trade center during the 19th century. Ships traveling between Montreal and the Great Lakes often passed through the area, helping support local industry and commerce. As transportation improved during the 1800s, Cornwall became connected by railways and canals that helped move goods across the region. The Cornwall Canal, completed in the 19th century, allowed ships to bypass dangerous rapids along the St. Lawrence River. This improvement strengthened Cornwall's role as an important shipping and industrial center. Warehouses, mills, and factories grew along the waterfront and rail corridors, transforming the city into one of Eastern Ontario's leading industrial communities. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Cornwall became especially known for textile manufacturing. Large factories such as the Canadian Cottons Mills employed thousands of workers and attracted immigrants from many parts of Europe and beyond. Entire neighborhoods developed around these industries, and the city gained a strong working-class identity. Manufacturing remained the backbone of Cornwall's economy for generations, with paper production, textiles, and other industries supporting much of the local population. The St. Lawrence River has always shaped life in Cornwall. The waterfront provided transportation, trade, fishing, and later hydroelectric power. During the 1950s, one of the largest infrastructure projects in Canadian history changed the region forever. The construction of the St. Lawrence Seaway and Moses Saunders Power Dam allowed larger ships to travel farther inland between the Atlantic Ocean and the Great Lakes. Entire nearby villages known as the Lost Villages were flooded during the project, and thousands of residents were relocated as roads, railways, and shorelines were rebuilt. The creation of the Seaway also changed Cornwall's economy and landscape. Hydroelectric power generation became an important part of the region, while modern shipping routes improved trade across eastern North America. At the same time, changes in manufacturing and global industry during the late 20th century led to the closure of many of Cornwall's historic factories. Like many industrial cities in Canada, Cornwall gradually shifted toward healthcare, retail, transportation, education, and service industries as major employers. Today, Cornwall remains an important regional centre for Eastern Ontario. The city serves nearby rural communities and acts as a transportation hub because of its location along Highway 401 and the international border crossing into Massena. The Seaway International Bridge connects Cornwall with Cornwall Island and the United States, making the region one of the key border crossings between Ontario and New York State. Cornwall is also known for its parks and waterfront recreation. Lamoureux Park stretches along the St. Lawrence River near downtown and hosts concerts, festivals, and community events throughout the year. The city's waterfront trail system attracts walkers and cyclists, while nearby marinas and boat launches connect residents with the river. During the warmer months, the waterfront becomes one of the busiest and most scenic parts of the city. Despite changes in industry and population over the decades, Cornwall has maintained the character of a smaller river city shaped by transportation, manufacturing, and its long connection to the St. Lawrence River. watching!